Today's special chicken biryani. Let's begin. Pour 1 cup of oil in pan. Add sliced onion. Leave it for a few minutes until it becomes like this. Next ingredients you'll need are salt 6 tablespoons, garam masala, 1 tablespoon black pepper, 1 to 2 pieces of cinnamon, 6 to 8 cloves, 4 to 5 pieces star anise abadi and katai, 2 to 3 cardamom, 4 to 5 cardamom, 2 and 1/2 tablespoon of red chilies. Add all of them in the pan. Cook for a few minutes. Add ginger garlic paste. Let it cook until it gets translucent. It's time to add tomatoes. Go tomatoes go. Now it's green chilies turn. Add 1.5 kg chicken. Add salt and red chilies powder. Mix it well, sweeties. Add 1 cup of yogurt. Mix, mix, mix. Cover it and let it cook. After 3 to 4 minutes, make sure tomatoes get soft. Coriander seeds chopped. Javitri or mace and jaifal or nutmeg. Coriander seeds chopped. Cumin seeds. Grind all of it, and your Pulao Biryani masala is ready. Add prepared biryani masala. Mix it well. Cover the lid for a few minutes. Add imli tamarind water. Let the mixture cook on normal high flame. Add 4 glasses of water. Add banaspati rice soaked in water for 15 to 20 minutes. Mix it evenly. Bring it to boil. Add remaining biryani masala now. Mix, mix, mix.
Good.
Good. Add coriander leaves. Some fried onions too. Almost ready. Add food color. Time to cover the lid. Cover lid tightly and let it finish cooking on low heat for approx 10 to 15 min. Biryani is ready. Thanks for watching.